Highway 3 in Essex County has a storied history dating back to the early 19th century. Let's travel the highway from Windsor to Union Road by Leamington and see what's what on the way. Fasten your seatbelt, here we go. The Herb Gray Parkway Roundabout connects Highway 3 to the EC Row Expressway and Huron Church Road. It facilitates the movement of traffic between these major routes without the need for traffic signals. It improves traffic flow and safety by keeping traffic moving continuously through the intersection. Colonel Thomas Talbot had the route surveyed that would become Highway 3, and work on the road started in 1809. It was called the Corduroy Road, as logs were laid side by side for the surface. Walker Road is a major traffic artery in Windsor. From Riverside Drive, it runs south to the County Road 11 by the town of Harrow. In 1920, the Department of Public Highways assumed ownership of the existing roads passing through Essex County to create Highway 3. Highway 3 has been a vital road in this region for centuries. Originally as a two-lane road, it served as the main route connecting communities from Windsor to Essex to Leamington and towns and communities across the county. Talbot Road, also known as County Road 3, runs through several municipalities in southwestern Ontario, including Windsor, LaSalle, and Maidstone. Over the years, the population and economic activity has grown. The traffic on Highway 3 has steadily increased as well. Malden Road runs north to Highway 46 and south to County Road 8. With more vehicles on the road, and the number of traffic accidents and fatalities on Highway 3 has also grown alarmingly. Drivers face congestion, long commute times, and the constant risk of collisions. Manning Road runs south to County Road 8 and north to the 401 highway and through the town of Tecumseh to Riverside Drive. The need to address these safety and capacity issues became increasingly urgent. After years of planning and public consultation, the decision was made to widen Highway 3 from its two-lane configuration to a modern four-lane divided highway. Maidstone Avenue runs through Essex Central, acting as a primary transportation corridor and commercial hub, with retail and residential developments along its path. Its strategic location makes it a vital artery for the town's infrastructure. The Victoria Street overpass was installed as part of the Highway 3 widening in Part 2 of the project. The Highway 3 widening is an ambitious project transforming the road, improving traffic flow, reducing travel times, and enhancing safety for all users. Arnertown Line, as part of the overall Highway 3 expansion, had traffic signals added. Arnertown Line acts as a boundary town line road between municipalities in Essex County. The Essex Bypass was opened in stages in the 1970s and early 1980s to bypass small towns on the busy highway. This is where the final phase of Highway 3 widening project begins. In recent decades, significant improvements have taken place along the Highway 3 corridor between Windsor and Leamington. Bell River Road is a major roadway passing through the Bell River area of Lakeshore, Ontario. It serves both residential neighborhoods as well as commercial businesses and amenities in the region. The widening of Highway 3 is in its final phase of 15 kilometers between Essex and Leamington. Once completed, Highway 3 will be a 4-lane highway with divided and undivided sections between the Highway 401 and Essex Road 8. Division Road and Highway 3 is a key focus area for intersection improvements, realignment, widening, and signalization as part of the major Highway 3 expansion project. Commuters and commercial vehicles will experience smoother, safer, and more efficient travel, reducing the strain on the existing infrastructure. It will support economic growth, facilitate the movement of goods and services, and enhance the overall quality of life for residents. The Union Avenue intersection is the endpoint of the $138.6 million contract for design, build, and finance of the widening project. The Highway 3 widening project is well underway. It extends from 1.2 kilometers east of Arner Town Line, Essex Road 23, near Essex, to 1.1 kilometers east of Union Avenue, Essex Road 34, near Leamington. The infrastructure in Essex County has seen many changes over the past few decades. The Herb Gray Parkway and the Gordie Howe Bridge, to name a few major projects. The completion of Highway 3 widening has been a long time coming. It will make transportation on Highway 3 corridor more efficient and safer for everybody. I'll be glad to see it finished. Let me know in the comments what you think. Watch for construction updates on the 2024 widening of Highway 3. Like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. Thanks for watching. This is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.